Welcome to the Kids Zone channel. Children, I am going to tell you now about the correct synonyms and the options below. Try to coordinate movements with each other. For coordination of the four options: organize, disturb, scatter, diverse, answer is organize. It has so much to unfold and I had the best day at school today. So for unfold, of the four options: open, close, bring, cover, the answer is open. Unfold, open. I was surprised when I learned that Mithali started to play at the age of 10. So for surprise, unmoved, raged, amazed, despised. The four options, the answer is amazed. Surprised, amazed. She introduced Mithali Durairaj, an Indian woman writer. Introduced, acquainted with, ignored, withheld, neglected. So of the four options, answer is introduced, acquainted with. She is presently the all-time leading run scorer for India in all formats. The formats: chapters, documents, patterns, records. Four options, the answer is patterns. Formats, patterns. Let's move to the other sentences. People complimented her as Tendulkar of Indians women cricket. So scored, despised, praised, flattered. So of the four options, answer is complimented, praised. So I would love to quote what Mithali said. Quote: repeat, speak, warn, write. So quote means repeat. What she has told, repeating is the quote. I do not think I have achieved even half of what he did for the country. Here achieved, scared, reached, retrieved, returned. Of the four options, achieved is reached. Okay, I felt very proud that she has been widely recognized and acknowledged. For recognized, unknown, known, identified, wanted. So of the four options, recognized means known by everybody. So she broke the traditional barriers. Barriers, preventions, hurdles, movements, actions. So hurdles, barriers means hurdles. Though it was a humble start, she managed to secure a name and a place for herself. So for secure, of the four options, react, spread, obtain, frighten. Secure means this is obtain. In this text, for secure, obtain. She started playing cricket with her brother and it was a humble start. So for humble, high, proud, timid, low. So humble means here low. I forgot to mention about the recent achievement of our Indian women cricket team. So mention, for mention, the other word for mention of the four: talk, narrate, notice, refer. So mention means here refer. Mithali anchored the innings to perfection with an unbeaten 76. So here anchored means fixed, unbound, unconfined, detached. So here anchored means fixed. Mithali fixed the innings to perfection with an unbeaten 76. Then I will be happy when my little sister follows her passion. Passion. For passion, dream, methods, desire, activities. For passion, here it is desire. So let's go to the correct antonyms. Each day is a new beginning. Antonyms means opposites of the 4 letters: beginning, starting, heralding, ending, commencing. So beginning means the opposite word is ending. Second one, in a mirroring game, children can do both roles, the player and the mirror, at the same time. Same. For the same, you have to find the opposite. Correct, exact, immediate, different. So for the same, the opposite is different. So third one, in batting, Mithali is the first player to score 7 consecutive 50s. So of the 4 options, bowling, hitting, scoring, running. For batting, in batting, opposite of batting is bowling. Okay, let's go to the next sentence. I had the best day at school today. Last Sunday, the same day. Yesterday, the next day. So here today refers to the yesterday. It has so much to unfold. This today is the opposite of today, means opposite is yesterday. It has so much to unfold. So unfold means open. We have seen the meaning. Now it is the opposite. Unreveal, fold, close, tell. So unfold opposite is close, fold. Okay. There were many other male players in the Indian cricket team. Many. The opposite is several, few, countless, numerous. Of the 4 options, many, few. I felt proud that she has been widely recognized. For the opposite of proud, here are the options: happy, sad, merry, humble. Proud, opposite is humble. Mithali was the first player to score continuous 50s in cricket. Opposite of first, last, least, prime, real. So, first is last. Answer, opposite. She was the highest run scorer in women's international cricket. Opposite of highest is best. At most, lowest, most. So, of the 4 options, highest is lowest, opposite. I forgot to mention about the recent achievement of our Indian women cricket team. Forgot, opposite is thought, hated, liked, remembered. Forgot, remembered, opposite. India cruised to a comfortable 9-wicket victory over South Africa. Comfortable, opposite. Uncomfortable, safe, easy, reliable. Uncomfortable, opposite, uncomfortable. The schoolboy will certainly be happy when his little sister follows her passion. So, follows, opposite, plans, implements, chases, idols. Of the 4 options, have chases, follows, chases. Usha's mother's unfulfilled wish was to make her daughter a kabaddi player. So unfulfilled, fulfilled, real, incomplete, unnoticed. So opposite of unfulfilled is fulfilled. Okay, let's move to the 14th one. Soon she joined the club and started playing kabaddi. Soon, opposite of soon is early, late, instantly, immediately. Soon or opposite is late. She started playing kabaddi at national level in sub-junior category. started, opposite of started is commenced, began, stopped, ended. Of the four options, started means stopped, opposite. Okay children, if you like this channel, press the like button and subscribe to this channel children. Thank you children.